Should we do that again? Let me do that again. Okay. I just want to keep drinking.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
So good. I can't stop eating it. It is a tie me up. Pause. It's a tie things up. Can't wait to see what we're brewing up. Thai Takeover Tuesday.
Thai Takeover Tuesday. Okay.
See?
Okay.
Me
I didn't know.
Me too. 3, 2, 1. I did get the drama plate. What's your relationship to food?
I eat my emotions.
We'll just keep talking as if we're friends.
If we're friends.
We're friends. You got that.
And fix your.
Thank you.
Okay, come on, let's go see. Come on in. Was that okay?
I don't know why I looked at the camera.
I was like, and I just can't want to keep eating it.
My body was ready. My tongue.
I know. Bring me back to the.
You allergy bitches are gonna drive me crazy, I swear.
Oh shit.
I'm so excited for this Thai Tex-Mex fusion, and you can watch it at YouTube at Thai.
I wasn't listening. I forgot I had water in there. I told you, on the counter.
Jeep.
Yes, Jeep, you know me.
See, Jeep's like, I knew that was
Dude.
gonna happen.
Rolling,
Rolling down the river. People da 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 da.
This is the Dr. Wu show now. What's up? I'm doing fish. I mean, the first thing that literally just,
We're learning something. We are learning something. Wait, 1 second. Where did we left off?
You emptied out my fridge, I think. That wasn't even a joke that time. Now you're just in a giggly mood, I think. I'm like, you remove things from my fridge.
And what are you doing?
I am sauteing the onion and shallots. I'm sorry, the shallots. I am cut.
I blacked out. What did I say? Okay. What did I say? In this next episode. In this next episode, thank you. What am I saying? What am I saying?
What is the word? Fried fish. Line.
Let's be professional here, please.
Yes.
Jeez.
Got it.